Hello, hello. Welcome back.
Hello. Hello, teacher. What are we going to learn
Hello.
today?
Today we're going to learn movement. Given 30 minutes later, we're probably not going to do jumping or looking around. Probably do that next week. But for now, we're going to do movement. And we're going to do it in a better way than we did last time. We're going to do it in a more complicated but better way. All right, welcome. I believe we got a couple more people left.
Teacher, why is everyone so quick at coming?
Yeah, everyone's doing a great job. So many people got there before I did. I don't know how. Hello, Kahom.
We're pro.
Yeah, I'm also a pro because I just came.
Hello.
9.
I came before everyone else because, well, I left before teacher ended Zoom, and then I just joined again.
Nice.
Me too.
Yeah, you guys could speed run joining Zoom.
Hey, that's not nice. That's gonna be
It's
super rude.
What's that?
Okay, I am recording. Okay, home, nice.
Teacher, can you make a ghost bean, please?
A ghost bean?
Yeah, turn your
Can I just make the bean the picture that I
Yeah, if you have a picture and you minimize or make Unity a little smaller, you can just drag a picture from your desktop into the bottom of Unity.
have? Can you show
And
me
then-
that?
Teacher, how do I put color onto my bean?
I'll show that. Yeah.
Sure.
I'll show all the extra stuff at the end of class.
I want
Give it-
my bean to have colors. I made a material that you could see through, and I apply it to my
Teacher,
I made a material too.
I have
made
a
a color
prototype
purple.
material. I have a prototype box material thing.
All right, let's go ahead, everyone. I'm going to begin class now. I believe everyone came back. Oh, all right. I believe that's everyone. So welcome, everyone. Welcome back. And let's go ahead and begin our movement. First thing we want to do, make sure you've clicked on your little bean. Just click on them right on your scene. Then go to the bottom right of your window and click Add a Component. Add a component. And then in that little search bar, you can type in control, CONTR, and
Wait,
that's all I
teacher,
need.
why do you have a capsule?
Capsule or bean, whatever.
And then when I spawn the capsule finish, what do I do?
Once you've made the capsule, that's all you need to do. I changed the Y on the position here in the top right. I changed that Y to 1.5. You don't need to do that. It's fine.
Then what do I do next?
I'm actually about to show you. Give me one moment. Where? Okay. Oh, now I'm annotating. There we go. Okay, click Add Component, then type in, or bottom right, click Add Component, then type in CONTROL, control. Then the first thing you should see is a character controller, and click on that. This makes a new component attached to your player. and it's a Unity thing that lets you easily control the player.
I am now on my ghost bean. I am now. I didn't get that. I
Teacher,
am now
Yeah.
back on my
Huh?
ghost bean.
JP, add a
Okay.
component on your character called character controller. Just click add
Character-
component, type in control, just the character controller.
Teacher, can you like please do it again when you
Yes.
spawn a capsule?
Yeah. Oh, like to create the capsule? Yeah, here.
Teacher,
let me-
okay, now I have a ghost bean.
Oh.
Okay, now my ghost bean works. Now I have a ghost bean that can.
Nice.
Teacher,
though,
what
okay,
what
who's
component do I
annotating?
add? I'm oh never mind. I found my I accidentally placed my capsule under my cube because of
Ah.
a misclick. And I missed out on the lesson
Okay.
trying to find the capsule.
Bruh.
Teacher,
What is going on? Stop drawing.
All right, yeah. Whoever's draw,
Bro.
JP, hey,
Stop
stop
that.
drawing, man. All right. Real quick, I'm going to show
teacher.
the capsule one more time.
drawing for someone who can't find, but someone who draw on the screen with no reason.
All right. So you have your little base. Go ahead, top left. I'm going to show how to make the character one more time. It's the plus button. Go down to 3D
No,
object.
I have made the
Oh.
beam, but I
Okay.
accidentally misclicked it and placed it under
Ah.
the cube, and it went missing for some reason.
Okay.
So I spent like 2 minutes just moving my mouse around trying to find it. So and missed out. So what component did we add to the capsule?
All right. It is character controller. If you click add
Okay.
component, then type in control, CONTROW or
Okay,
OL.
got it.
Character
Thank you.
controller. Welcome.
Thank you.
All right, but that's not the end, and a lot of people are making arrows.
Bruh.
Everyone, please no annotating, because I
Teacher,
can't
what
remember how to
component
disable
should
it.
I use? What component should I use?
It is character controller.
Please stop. We're trying
Oh,
to learn.
what's happening?
Yeah.
I
But
can't find it.
Yeah,
so-
we know it. We trying to help what we gonna use to be a character, but it's only one arrow, man. Stop.
Teacher, how does it spell?
yeah, you click on add component, then you type in CONTROL, control, and then the first thing you should see is character controller.
I
There you
don't
go.
see any.
Yes, when we're using that capsule.
I don't see anything.
Do you click on add component?
Yes.
All right. Try just typing the word control again, CON, and just go CONT. CONT.
Is it tractor controller? No.
Yeah, character controller. CHARACTER. All right. So once we have your character controller, we can now make our script. We're gonna add one more component here, add component. And now in the little search bar, just type in movement, MOVEMENT. And you notice you don't see any other components except for new script. Click on that new script, then go down, click create and add. And now you add a C# script to your player, or in other words, you have made so you can actually code stuff into your player.
Movements. Okay. This script,
Yep,
and then create and add.
yep.
But if
Yep,
I
I
spell
got it.
wrong, what do I do?
Teacher, sir.
If I spell wrong, what does it happen?
It's
Uh,
fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
Oh,
Teacher, can I just hold on and just go grab the code from last
Okay,
time.
teacher, wait, because I
We're actually using all new code.
you can see my
Oh,
80%.
okay, we did. Oh yeah, we don't have rigid body.
Yeah. All right, and yeah, when this is all on the capsule.
Teacher, but I
All
didn't
right.
Thank you.
the thingy yet. The virtual studio code yet. Because I can't go.
That's okay actually. Let me see here. Which one is it? Okay. Preferences. Go tools. Okay. Go ahead and what we'll do real quick. In the bottom left here, you should see a big thing that says like a big hashtag, big green hashtag says movement. Everyone go ahead and double click that. And then
My
you're gonna have to tell me what you
Studio
see.
code should pop up. Your
Yes.
I
Visual Studio code
see.
should pop up.
Oh yes. Oh, I can download Visual Studio Code.
Okay,
All
this
right.
doesn't help anymore. Okay, what do we do first? Add cube and castle, right?
Yes.
My
Add cube
notepad just
capsule.
opened up instantly.
My friend said like he doesn't have a Visual Studio.
That's okay. Unity should open up its own thing called a monospace, which should also be a code editor.
But like at first time that I didn't download Visual Studio Code, it does say I need to download it.
If you don't have it downloaded, it shouldn't ask you to download. It might be trying to download monospace.
Yeah,
Which case you like do that?
asked me like Microsoft thingy.
Okay.
Teacher, or someone tell me why is it ground or something?
It's black. Screen
No, it's
is
not
oh,
black.
Oh yeah,
It's
that's
brown.
just the ground. Go ahead and click on that cube, and then on the top left you can see like thing that says transform.
Transform where?
Sorry, not top left, top right. Here, in fact, let me. All right, pumpkin
Oh, yeah.
looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good, pumpkin. And I'll show you how to add the script in a moment.
Transform.
Yeah, when on the top right, there's a area that says transform.
Oh,
And you see 3 rows of numbers. The bottom row is how big your cube is. You have x1, y1, z1. Change that x to 10 and the z to 10.
okay.
All right. Trying to think here. I'm not sure we're going to have time for coding actually. Let me see. We only got 15 minutes here.
Sadness. Wait.
You know what? We might have time. Let's see. So again, after you have your character, you add the component character controller, and then to add the script, just type in like movement or whatever you want. Click new script, and then click create and add.
Oh.
All right. And because of my time limit, unfortunately, I'm going to have to just show you guys the code. And then if you don't have VS Code, you can come back and like see the code. I'll have it on the YouTube description.
Wait, teacher, is this it?
The code in the chat.
Oh no, I mean I'll have it on the recording. But I'm going to,
Teacher, do you mean is this it?
oh no, I mean that I'm going to, maybe in a not great way, show you the code you need to type, and then hopefully everyone can follow along.
Okay.
So in your movement script, once you have it open in a coding editor, go ahead, begin by typing in int, int, that is the C# version of making a variable that is a number. Int speed, SPEED, equal sign 1 semicolon. Make sure to have those semicolons. Int speed equals 1. Now in our start function, I'm going to write, oh no, wait, I need one more variable up here. Back at the top, new line, we're gonna write character controller, CHA, oh, what? There
Yay,
you go.
back to
Capital
the
CHARACTER, character. And then for controller, capital C, then ONTROLLER, character controller. This is how you create a variable in C# that you know is going to be a character controller. It is literally going to be that component we added to our player. The character controller, and then the name of it will be like, I don't know, control, CONTROL, control. Then add a semicolon, because we're not going to define it right now. Pumpkin, the script, if you've created it, should be in the bottom left, a big green hashtag. All right, and then in the start function, we're going to write control equal
Teacher, I
sign.
still have at the speed.
What? Yeah, I'll show this code and then I'll take a break, let everyone catch up. It is control equal sign and then capital G get, capital C component, get component, less than sign, and then same thing up here, character controller, greater than sign, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, semicolon. There we go. And that is how you make a variable that is literally the controller that you added to your player. You're getting a different component on your player. I get component. And then inside here, you're saying like what kind of component to get. Exact same wording as the variable up here, character controller. We'll go ahead and leave that code up there for a bit. And it's okay if you don't have like an editor open or you don't have like your script open yet.
Is this script finished, teacher?
Oh, it's not yet. This is just getting the
What do you
controller
need to
ready.
add more?
There's a couple more lines to add before we are done.
Oh, okay.
All right, actually, I'll go ahead and show those lines now.
So my Unity is just loading, and can you show me what to do?
Oh, okay.
What do I
I'm
add?
going-
Let me share. Let me.
You have to go down to add component.
I have character controller and
Okay. Nice. Yeah, just go down to add a component, type in the word movement, then click
here?
new. No, add component at the bottom right.
oh no. I have movement right here. So I double
Okay.
click it.
Yes.
Uh,
Oh, there we go.
yeah.
Nice. download the full version. Oh,
Sign in. I need to.
Oh, wait. Oh, I think you download Visual Studio and not Visual Studio Code.
Huh? That's
Yeah.
like.
Here, let me see.
So I need to download it. Not this version or something.
Yeah. Visual Studio is the paid version. It's like
Oh,
$15 a month or something. Visual Studio Code is a free version.
bro, $50. I
15,
Okay.
I think. I'm not sure.
I-
It's kind of expensive for a coding editor. But here, I'll put in
just
link in
gonna- I'm
chat.
just gonna delete it.
Yeah. You may have to look at the code in the recording, or I'll have a way to show everyone the code.
Jesus, get off me. Oh,
All right,
no.
so I'm going to go ahead now and finish up this code, and then we'll talk about it.
Teacher, if you like, how do you say? Can you copy the please?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead and write the last bit of code here. It is, where is it?
Teacher,
Okay.
I got knocked out, so could you please tell me what happened?
Oh yeah,
I
we
was-
actually haven't done much since the code. Have you written this like character control
Teacher,
code right here?
Yes,
Teacher.
I have the character controller. No, where are we writing now?
Oh, just I don't think we've moved past since you probably disconnected. Just right here, control equals get character controller. I have the code in chat if you need it. But let's go ahead and do one
Teacher?
more thing. Yes.
Alan said like he doesn't have the movement speed, like he can't get the movement speed.
I'm going to have to help you near the end of class because, well, yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to finish showing the code, and then I'll probably show it again next week. That way everyone can have done it.
No, I haven't done it yet. Not done.
Can you get the code in the chat, please? I didn't finish it.
If I actually have it in the chat right now.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. All right. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you a
It says
few more.
nothing in chat. Nothing.
Oh. I believe I put it here. Let me try again. There you go. It should be to everyone.
Is it all the code?
It is not. I'm going to write a few more lines, which I'll show you now. So let's go ahead near the top here. I'm going to make a new variable. It's going to be called vector3. A vector3 is the name of it. It's basically just 3 numbers.
Teacher, I'm
It is
not done.
Teacher.
coding.
Teacher, I heard like vector tree in like Lua script, like in Roblox Studio.
yeah.
Script.
And JP, I'll show the code and then I'll let everyone finish typing it. Give everyone plenty of time. Yeah, vector3 is just like how on a transform we have x, y, and z. That's what a vector3 is. It just means x, y, and z. So vector3 move equal sign, and then with this little fancy thing called vector. What is it? Vector 3.0 typing in the word zero, zero, semicolon at the end. Vector 3.0 is basically just putting your like it'd be like saying var number equals 0 or int speed equals 0. Just 0 as a vector. All right.
I am not done.
It's good. It's good.
In Ohio.
Nam to Ohio, swag like Ohio.
Well,
And let's go ahead and write one more line of code here in the update function near the bottom. It is going to be probably the more complicated one here. So it is move, M-O-V-E, same variable up here, move, equal sign, and then, what is it? New, N-E-W, space, vector 3. Again, vector 3 is a capital V. New space vector 3, you're creating a new vector. Left parenthesis. And then we're going to say input, capital I, input, I-N-P-U-T, input dot get
I
access.
haven't done the vector 3 thing.
It's okay.
I haven't done the vector 3 thing.
It's okay. I'll just like show the code and then you can write it out. Okay, everyone, plenty of time. Input dot
In Ohio.
get access, left parenthesis, quotation marks, and then the word horizontal, H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. This just means get inputs from the left and right, like A and D, and then the left and right keys.
Teacher, I am not done. I didn't write down vector 3 yet.
It's okay. I'm showing all the code right here. You can go ahead and catch up.
City in Ohio. Ohio.
wow. Teacher, can you please play a bit?
Say again? Oh yeah. All right, I'll go ahead and continue. It's okay if you haven't caught up. I'll just keep showing the code here. So right after get or input.get access horizontal left parentheses, we'll go ahead and do comma space 0, then comma space, and then the exact same thing. We got input dot get access. That's GETAXIS. That's parenthesis, quotation marks, and then the word vertical. Capital V, then ERTICAL, vertical. Then a semicolon at the end.
Teacher, you didn't get that. I'm still making my things.
It's okay.
Hold on, I'm still typing. X's. Verb. Okay.
Yeah, basically what we're creating here is a variable, a vector3 variable that will say, okay, this is what the user is trying to type. This is the direction the user is trying to go. Basically saying make a vector out of where the x is what the user wants to do horizontally, so like left and right, and then same with make the v be vertical, so up and down. So you can go forward and back, left and right, all using the arrow keys. All right, we'll go ahead and make another line of code here. Again, it's okay if you haven't finished it. You can see all of it in a moment. The next line will be move equal sign. Then transform, 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 dot, and then capital T, again, transform, and then capital D direction, capital D, then IRECTION, transform direction, left parenthesis, and then inside of those parentheses, just write move, semicolon at the end. What this does is say, okay, you have the input from the user. Now take that and tell me, like as a transform, tell me what direction I'm supposed to be going. Like it moves my character, so I'm looking that direction.
Yeah.
And then one very easy line here is just new line, move, and then instead of just an equal sign, we do star equals as shift 8 asterisk equals, or in coding lingo, that's a multiply equals, and then speed, semicolon, speed up here. That way you can make it faster later. You just multiply move by whatever you made speed. And then finally, the last line here, new line, and it is control, the same variable up here that is the component character controller, control dot move, that's a capital M move. So we're saying, hey, character controller, go ahead and move in left parenthesis, move times, that's the shift 8, move times, and here's the confusing part, capital T time, TIME dot delta DELTA, time again, capital TIME, semicolon at the end. If you were able to do that, very good job. Or if you are able to do that, good job. Because that's a lot of very confusing code. I'll let everyone take
I
some
have
time.
2 more lines of code to go.
Good job. I'll leave this here
I'm
for a
done.
little while. Nice.
I'm done.
Control dot.
Done.
Great job.
I follow all your steps.
I'm not
Done. I'm done.
Great job.
I'm done already.
Yeah, this
Sound
code
like Batman.
Dot.
is
Delta.
there's a lot of stuff that may seem daunting at first, like what does this line mean and stuff, or
Done.
time.delta time. It's all stuff that like Unity has, and you're just kind of using it. And as you go, you kind of learn how it all works. A lot of Unity, honestly, me as a programmer, half the time I code in Unity, I'm just copy and pasting someone else's code, and then eventually I'll learn how that code works. All right. All right, great job.
That's so
huh?
cool.
All right, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and also put my code in chat in case I move screens here.
I'm done.
And yeah,
Teacher,
let's
I'm
talk.
already done.
Nice. And let's talk about this code for a little bit here. Some of this I've already gone over. Move, you're creating okay, here is the direction that the user wants to be going. Transform means, okay, move the transform to the direction, move my actual object to that direction. Multiply move by speed so that we can make it faster. Like if you make it speed 2, now suddenly we're gonna be moving like twice that fast. Then control dot move times time.delta time. We could just say controller dot move and then move just being like the direction we want to move. And that would work. The main thing is that update sometimes will work at weird times, like when it actually updates. Time.delta time just means, okay, if I updated at like a weird time, like your computer glitched it and the frame was weird, make sure I'm moving at a consistent rate. I don't just jump forward because suddenly the computer went to low like 10 frames. This has a bigger deal in something like fixed update, but we'll still add it here. Yep.
If you put the code right, is it gonna happen anything into the capsule?
Yes, actually. I'll go ahead. I actually don't have much time before Unity kills me. So if you did the code correctly and you go to your Unity, let me see if I can, and then click play. You should now be able to, oh shoot, what did I do wrong? Oh wait, did I not save? Let me double check. Oh, I've not saved. So make sure to save your code. Is Control F on a Windows, Command F on a Mac. Save your code.
Teacher, it doesn't work. I'm still writing.
Teacher,
All right.
how do I say?
It's saved.
All right, to save
I
it is
turn it off
Control. It is Control F on a Windows, Command F on a Mac. But real quick, I just want to show you guys what happens when. Oh, wait. What? Okay. What happens
doesn't-
when? Okay.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
There you go. If it works, you should now be able to use your mouse or buttons
Teacher,
to
it
move the
works.
thing. Great job.
Teacher, it
Um,
works.
Great job. So,
But
we
it's
have less
not
than a minute left.
fast.
Teacher, it's not fast. It's not working.
Okay,
No,
Zoom is
it's
about
not
to kick us
working.
out. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and rejoin.
Teacher,
If not, you're good.
How can I?
Teacher, hello. I'm before everyone.
Can I share my screen?
Welcome, welcome.
Teacher.
Yep.
When
Not
you
working.
run, it doesn't happen anything. It doesn't do anything.
All right.
It doesn't do anything, teacher.
All right, I'll help you out in one moment. Mattia, what's going on here? Mattia, for some reason you're on your scene and not your game. Now what happens when you click on that and like use your arrow keys?
I'm
clicking
on it right now.
So, everyone, go ahead. If something isn't working in your code, go ahead and copy your code and paste it in chat.
Okay.
Oh, I already did that. Teacher,
All
there's
right, let me-
something wrong. There's so
All
many
right.
items.
Yeah, Pepper, you can go ahead and copy your code if you don't mind and paste it in chat.
Here, this is mine. This is mine.
All right, Poon.
Still writing. I am still writing.
Oh yeah. All right. Oh, Cajon. That looks. Oh, Cajon. I seem like you haven't saved your movement. If you see on the right, nothing is there. Go ahead and go back to your code, and then click like Control F or Command F. You may need to go out of play mode and come back.
Teacher, my code in chat.
All
I'm
right.
still writing.
Teacher,
Okay.
teacher.
I'm still
Is my code
writing.
correct? Is my code correct?
Give you 1 moment. All right, I have the code on screen, and now I'm going to begin checking people's code. If you're able to click play on your game and like move around, your code's good, and you can leave. Let me see here. Okay, Poon. All right. Vector, get axis horizontal. Yep, yep. Huh. Poon, your code looks good. Are you sure things wrong? Are you sure it's not working? Have you saved?
What do I need to do when I'm like finished saving?
All you need to do is save is Control F on a Windows or Command F on a Mac.
Yeah, I already did that.
All right. You should be able to go now to Unity, click play, and then you can move around using your arrow keys or WASD.
I can't.
Can I share the screen?
All right, I'll do screen shares in a moment. Let me finish looking through everyone's code, and then I'll do screen shares.
Teacher, can you copy the code for me?
Yeah.
So I think my code is wrong.
No, your code looks correct, but there might be some kind of little error I'm missing. All right, Katie. Huh, yeah, everyone's code looks great.
I'm gonna do it again. Teacher, it still didn't work.
All right, everyone's code looks perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop my. Oh, yeah, I have my code in chat. To anyone?
I'm not done. I'm not done.
Yes, I'm going to JP. Actually, I'll send you. I'll like DM you my code. There you go. And then if you need to look in chat to like see the code, you need to type it, and then I'll go back to this in a bit. So if you have a problem in your code, you can go, or if it's not working, go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah, I already done it and it's not working.
Huh. Go ahead and scroll down on the on the right side. Scroll all the way down.
Wait. Wait, it's the wrong way. Okay. Okay. Movement.
Oh no, I mean click on your player and then scroll down the right side.
Okay.
Huh. Reference script on this behavior capsule is missing. Okay. Go ahead and click on that movement script on the, yep, right there. All right, I can actually see it from here. Shoot. Oh, I see what's wrong. Okay. Go ahead. Okay, this is an interesting thing. Basically, what's going on here is that the name of your file and the name you have on your script are different. In movement, you spelled it M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, which is correct. On your file, you have M-O-V-M-E-N-T. Katie, that's probably the same problem.
Teacher.
So, Poon, go ahead.
Error. I have an error, a red error.
All right, I'll help you in one moment. Poon, go ahead click on that movement script outside of the game. First, turn off the game and then click on the movement script.
S.
All right, Poon, first, like, turn off the game parts. Like, click that play button again.
Okay.
Okay,
Teacher,
now
I
click
have
on the
a red
movement.
error.
Hop in one moment.
A red error.
Wait, it does nothing.
Oh, no, just click on the movement script, the big hashtag in the bottom left. Okay, now click enter.
Easy anti-cube.
Okay, maybe try right clicking.
Right.
Oh, wait. Oh, no, it updated. Oh, you're, shoot. Okay. Huh. All right, Poon, are you sure it's not working? Have you tried using the arrow keys? It should work. It looks like it works.
Control S. Control S. Save.
Oh no, you're good in the saving. Everything is good there. Go back to Unity and try playing and then using the arrow keys again. Because there's no errors on your code. Oh, there we go.
Teacher.
Yeah, it's just a little slow right now.
But when I press the left arrow key, it just like pop up and nothing happens anymore.
Try holding it.
Holding it. Hold on. Oh wait.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
just very slow right now. You're probably gonna need to go in that speed variable. You have like float speed equals 1, change that to like 5 or something.
Wait, it's floating.
Oh, right, we haven't made gravity. We'll make gravity next week.
Teacher. I don't work.
All right, next
Mine doesn't
person.
work. There's a red error on mine.
Okay. All right. Oh, Cahoon. Hey, Cahoon. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Cahoon. It seems like you haven't saved your file. Go ahead, Cahoon. Share the actual like code file you have, the actual like VS Code file. Tippy. All right, Cahoon, go ahead and click. Cahoon, are you on a Mac or a Windows? Do you know?
I'm on a Mac.
All right, click Command, like hold Command, and then click F, S, like snake. Yeah, Command S. Oh, I think you're clicking F. Go look in chat. F. Like Philly, snake.
Yeah. Doesn't work.
Sati or Sati.
Doesn't work.
Teacher.
Oh no. Okay. Cahoom, you have now saved your code. Now go back to Unity and try it again, because it should work now.
Teacher.
Yep.
How to make the camera follow you? Is it the same code?
It is not. It is actually. I'll show you before I end the class, and then I'll
Teacher.
actually like show it next class. Welcome.
Teacher, mine doesn't work. I have a red error.
All right. Oh, looks like Cahoom, you also have an error.
No, I have
Okay.
an error.
All right, here. Let me go ahead and finish helping Cahoom real quick. Cahoom, on the right side, go ahead and scroll down for me. On the very right side, Cahoom, then scroll down. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Why would that be? Okay, Cahoom, that's something we have to circle back to and maybe help on Facebook, because I'm not sure what's wrong. I have to come back to you, Cahoom. All right.
I have the same problem.
All right,
I have the
JP.
same problem.
Oh, yeah, same like object reference not set to an instance of an object. Okay.
No, it's the asset movement CS error.
Yeah, Cahoom, I'll help you in a moment, because that is a tough one. Not sure what's wrong. JP, go ahead and try to share your screen, or maybe put your code in chat.
I can't share my screen.
All right, could you put your code in chat?
I'll try to share my screen. No, and I'm also on a different device.
Oh, the Vola. It seems like you don't have a character controller. On add component, you can click add component, type in like control, and then you should see character controller. Click that, and you should be good.
No, it's on. It's
Oh no, yeah,
there.
I'm talking to the Vol. The Vola.
No, mine has a character controller.
All right. JP, I can't quite make out the code there. It looks good from what I'm seeing, but I can't be sure. Oh. All right. Yeah, I think we have to help you in Facebook. It's tough for me to be able to like see the actual code there. Might be easier to take like screenshots.
No, because I'm on a different device. The device I'm using is not my old device. I have a different device now. This computer doesn't have a camera or a speaker, so I had to use my iPad as my Zoom meeting camera.
Okay. So it seems like a lot of the errors here, I'm not sure how to solve right now. And I'm going to have to help you guys through Facebook. Really, that is Cahoom, Katie, and JP. You probably get your parents when you submit your homework to just submit like a screenshot of your Unity and also a screenshot of your code. And then I'll ask you like for more screenshots, and we'll try to figure out what is the issue. Because a
Okay.
lot of these, your code looks good. I'm not sure what's going on.
Maybe we need to restart our computer, laptop, or iPad.
Yeah, you might. It might be helpful to close and open Unity again, but I'm not. Like, you should, probably would need to close your whole computer down. Oh yeah, Cahoon, I was
That-
getting that error a bit ago, and I was really struggling with it, and I didn't know how to solve it, and it
Sure.
suddenly stopped. I'm not sure why.
Teacher, why that screen has so many errors?
It is because I'm not sure. Because I fixed it, but I wasn't sure how I fixed it. So I'm going to have to go and like figure out how I fixed it, and then I will tell you guys. So that's gonna be it for this class. Again, probably Katie, Cahoon, and JP, you can go ahead and get your parents to like it. Put a screenshot of your Unity and your code onto Facebook. I can help you out throughout the week. And see you guys same time next week. Goodbye.
Bye
great job.
bye.
Teacher, wait.
Yep.
Teacher, you
Oh yes, thank you.
yes.
All right. So for this, it's actually really easy. If you have the movement going, go ahead, click on your main camera. Move it like to a place where it'd be nice to see. You can use these little arrows here. And like move it a little closer to your player, like center it, maybe like a little bit above, like
Okay.
this.
Wait.
And then
Okay.
and then you can drag your main camera, hold it, drag it over what says capsule. You should see a little like arrow pointing like curved. Drop it. And now you should see main camera like slightly in front of capsule. That means it is a child of it and will move
Teacher, can you do
whenever the
it
capsule
again?
moves.
Can
Yeah.
you do it again?
Top left here, hold on main camera, drag it right above capsule, and then drop it. And now when you click play, you should be able to move around with the player. I'm very slow right now.
Teacher, can I share my screen? I don't know how to do this right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Me too.
Here,
Oh yeah.
what do I do?
First of all, go ahead and move your Oh, you got it first person. Good. Move on the top left. There's a word that says main camera.
This?
Yeah, hold it and then drag it down. Drag it down into right above the word capsule, just like a little bit below it. Yeah.
This?
A little bit down. Capsule. Okay, now make sure there's not a blue line. So go like a little bit up. There we go. That should work.
Teacher, can you also help me?
Yes. And now just drop it. There you go. And now it should work.
Let me see.
And yep, whoever the other person was, I believe Poon, you can share your screen.
Okay,
Bless you.
here. Here, like this.
All right. So go ahead and top left, you have main camera.
Top left.
Very top left is the word that says main camera.
Main camera.
All right. Now like hold it and then drag it just like a couple lines down to the word
It
capsule.
worked.
Like
Oh.
this?
Now see, in that case, you dragged under it. So make sure to drag it like right over it, and so that there's no like blue lines, and drag it right into it basically.
Like this?
Okay, try dragging it again, just like a little bit up, not too far up. There we go. Oh no, there we go. Oh, there we go. That's it.
Okay.
And now when you play, you should be able to move around. The camera will follow you.
Oh yeah, it does. It
Yeah.
looks the camera is moving with the player, and that looks like the play is moving.
Yeah.
The ground is moving.
Teacher, how do you do jumping?
Jumping we'll do next class. We'll focus on
Wow.
movement, do jumping, do looking, all that stuff.
Next class, I will come if I don't have any problems.
All right. Oh yeah, and Vivola, I'm also going to have to help you. Oh, variable control of movement. Let me look at your code again, Vivola. What? Oh yeah, I have no idea. I'm gonna have Vivola on Facebook or Discord. You can go ahead and post like a screenshot of your Unity and also a screenshot of your code, and I can help you out. All right. So go ahead. Great job, everyone. I'll see you again same time next week. Goodbye.